Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This session topic is Grails custom TagLib display validation message. Grails tutorial part 4. How are you going, guys? How about your practice? Please share with me in comments. Again, Tawhid Mia from hmtmcsc.com. Let's start our steps. In first step, we are going to learn about basic of custom TagLib. In Grails, there is a two type of TagLib. The built-in TagLib, which we used earlier session. This is the custom TagLib. If I summarize this article, then it will goes with three important part. First is namespace, second is attitires, third is body. Namespace of the TagLib which can use in GSP page. Above example, the namespace using UI helper, and we are calling all method by using that name. Here you are seeing this is the tag library and this one is the namespace. Our namespace is UI helper. So here is a method named render error message. So if I call this method, then it will be UI helper, because of we declared UI helper as a namespace. Then the method name, after that the first field name, model, error message, those are the attributes which we get from here, attributes and body. If our TagLib is enclosed any body, that means this slash will not here and there is a ending tag, then it will be send the body to here. That's the TagLib basic. If you want, then you can visit the official link of TagLib. Here I will share this official link in video description. If you want, you can go here and describe more about TagLib. Now I'm going to next step, that is create a custom TagLib and add validation message processor. Okay, here in our previous chapter we created successfully a CRUD operation, which is member create. Here you are seeing, if I click on this, it will it added in a debug pointer. I am removing all of debug pointer. See the form not submitting and not showing any error message. The form not submitting because the form hasn't any value, but which value are required we are not understanding. In this UI TagLib we will add that validation and we will add that validation and we show the message. Okay, now I'm going to create the TagLib. Here you are seeing our TagLib from Grails app TagLib, and I'm creating a TagLib with namespace, with package com.hmtmcsc.ocb. TagLib name will be UI helper. UI dot Mr. dot UI ACLPER. This is our TagLib name. I'm pressing OK. It creating the TagLib. It taking little bit time, I don't know why. Come on, I don't know why it's taking so much time. Yes, it's created just now. Here you are seeing the UI TagLib here. Now I'm going to add the namespace. I'm removing all of text here and added the namespace. Now I'm going to add that validation message processor. This is the render error message processor. Here attributes and body. This is actually a closure. If you don't know about closure, please search Google about Groovy closure. Here we are using a closure. Closure parameter has attributes and body. From attributes we are expecting there will be a model, and attributes will be field name. We are picking those, and attribute will be error message. In this section, if attribute has error message, then we will showing this error message using our message TagLib. If not, then we will show the invalid input. Here you are seeing this is red. Guess what? Red. Okay, I got it. You told just this is from message.properties. We not added invalid message. That's why it showing red. I am adding that invalid property in our message source. Yes, I added. See, now it green. After that we are checking is there is a model, and model dot has errors, and model dot errors dot get field name error field error field name. If there is field match with this error, then we will show this message into output. Okay, let's see what happening when we submitting any form. If I click here, then it will submitted this submitted here. So now I'm going to add a breakpointer, and going here also add a breakpointer. Let's see what happened here, why the form is not submitting and not showing any message. Okay, I'm clicking on save. See, here is stopped the cursor. Now it's also here. Let's see what happened here. In my response, I'm evaluating. There is a model, unsafe model. Let's see what happened here. Okay, now I'm going to press a model. Okay, evaluate. Then again we are trying to find out the errors. Where is the errors variable? Let's see errors. Here you are seeing there is a 3 errors. Okay, the first error is that first name reject value null, password reject value null, and the email address reject value null. Why these are saying reject value? Because of in our domain we added some of constraint. That means the email will be unique and blank false. Similarly, password will be blank false, and the first name will be blank false. We not added validation. If we not add any validation, it automatically required field. That's why it's showing the error messages. Now I'm going to add this tag library to our view. Then let's see what happened. Okay, in our first name, I'm going to add our library. The library has UI TagLib, the first name and the field name is first name, the model is member, sorry, the model is member. the model is member. Let me the model is member, and the error message will be please enter first name. Okay, similarly for email, this is the email. I added a UI TagLib helper, the field image is, and I'm adding the error message. Address is not valid or already exist in system. Okay, now I'm going to add another one, the password field. It will also be required. I'm adding a validation for password. Now I'm going to add a error message, please enter a password. Okay, now let's see what happened. I'm just off my breakpointer and removing this breakpointer from here, also the controller. Now see, if I click on save, it showing this error message. It not showing because we not added the message property, please enter first first name. Okay, now every time if we submit this form and any of validation field is required but not fill, then it will show the message this way. Okay, that was the basically UI message TagLib. Here we covered basic about custom TagLib. Create a custom TagLib, we created already, added custom validator, debug the validation error message, message save or update, show the error message by UI TagLib. So now I can call this tutorial part 4 is completed. So if you have any question or misunderstanding, please let me know in comment section. I will try to help you. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for future video. Thanks again.